I'm Jake Wild from Lippert Components. I'm here today to show you how to remove a motor from the Schwintek system without removing the system from the coach. What we're going to do is remove the motor screw, which is placed here. And on the back side, I can show you here how we have a notch. And in order to remove this motor, you're going to pull this flap back. You're going to push up on the motor. Once you push up on the motor, it's going to disengage it. You'll be able to pull that, slide that down, pull it out. That'll come outside the coach. And then when you get your new motor, you're going to take it, you're going to slide it back up in here just like this. Drop it back into the D. Now let's go inside the coach here so we can show you how easily it's done. Now that we're on the inside of the coach, you can see that there's a bulb seal that we'll have to remove here. Once we remove this bulb seal, you'll find the wire. Once you find this wire, you're going to have to pull the rubber back. You're going to have to unplug it from the motor. You lay your wire back here. And just like we did outside, what we're going to do is we're going to pick up this motor, we're going to pull it and tip it out, and then we're going to slide it down. And that's going to remove your motor. Once you get your replacement motor, we're going to take that and we're going to slide it right back up in the hole, drop that down into the D, move it back and forth, make sure it's engaged. Take your wire, plug it into the motor. Plug it back into the motor. You're going to slide that back up over top with your seal and drop it into the notch. And then replace your D seal. And to conclude on what we've went through here is we wanted to cover that Schwintek is a basic design where you got a motor running through a gear with a rack and a shaft running through there, where we've incorporated this new motor notch design. Motor notch being the notch around this motor so you can extract that motor without removing it from the coach. Like we previously did, on the other side, what we would have done, we had to remove all these screws and pull it outside the coach. As you can see, we made it easier for you to remove the motor and or manually override it. So if you have any future questions or anything, you can go to lci1.com or you can go to Lippert University where you can see a bunch of videos on our other products.